Let's take a closer look at MABI injection packers. Today I'm going to give you a first look at our latest high-pressure injection packer. New to our range, this injector has a few features that make it extremely versatile for a variety of concrete repair jobs. Measuring nearly 3 inches and requiring a 3/8 inch drill hole, its longer design makes the injection process easier. The 4 large ridges near the top help keep the injector head slightly above the concrete. The protruding head design prevents the injector from sinking too deep into the drill hole, allowing for easy access to the injector head even when drilling at a 45-degree angle. The smaller drill hole size is less invasive, helping preserve the structure in question. In addition to its size, you'll notice the ribbed body, which helps maintain a solid hold on the concrete, allowing you to use injection pressures ranging from 15 to 2500 psi. Made of a high-quality, high-strength polymer, we've molded the head directly onto the packer to facilitate the injection process. This plastic composition makes it resistant to corrosion over time and compatible with a variety of resins. The installation process can be completed in a matter of seconds with a hammer and mounting tool, saving you time on the job. As mentioned before, this injector can be used for injection pressures ranging from 15 to 2500 psi. Removal of this packer is just as easy as installation. Simply use a hammer and small axe. And of course, a MABI injector wouldn't be complete without the patented anti-return valve. The anti-return system allows for optimal diffusion of your resin without wasting product. If you have questions about this or any of our other injection packers, contact us at info@mabi-usa.com. See you soon!